This is the CLUEAPOP bread lame. I'm using it today because I'm making sourdough bread. Right now my oven is heating up and my sourdough bread is ready for the final step before baking. Scoring the bread is really important because you want to make sure the air can escape and you have a nice even loaf. And those scoring lines just make for a beautiful loaf when it's all done. This is the tool for the job. It's ergonomic, it's easy to hold on to. You want control when you're doing this task. And look at this. It just slides up and down and easy to use. Now I love the way you can just hang it up on the microwave, on the refrigerator, anywhere handy, and it's good to go. What a great gift for someone who loves to bake, right? So let's get going. We're gonna get this bread ready to go. I'm laying it on the parchment and I wanna score the bread. And it's so easy with this tool. I can make my nice lines, I can make designs, I can do almost anything with this to make the bread individual and unique because every loaf is different, and that's what's so joyful about making bread. Oh my God, ooh, look at you. Well, I'm proud, it looks good.